Welcome to this tutorial on how to add vehicle details in the system. Keeping accurate vehicle records, like model, VIN, and mileage, makes it so much easier to track your fleet and stay on top of inspections. Let's get started. From the menu, click on Vehicle to open the Vehicle Management section. This is where every vehicle in your fleet gets registered and tracked. On the Vehicles page, click on the Add button to open the Vehicle Form page, where you'll enter all the necessary information for the vehicle you're adding. Click on the Vehicle Model Name field and type in the model of the vehicle. Being specific here, including the make and trim, not just a generic name, makes it much easier to identify the vehicle later, especially once your fleet starts growing. Next, click on License Plate Number and enter the vehicle's plate number. This is one of the most important identifiers for the vehicle, so make sure it's entered exactly as it appears on the plate. Now select the vehicle's manufacturing year. In this tutorial, we're choosing 2026. This helps with things like maintenance planning and figuring out when a vehicle might be due for replacement. Click on Vehicle Current Mileage and enter the current reading. Keeping this updated is important. It helps you track wear and tear over time and plan maintenance before issues come up. Click on Vehicle Identification Number and input the VIN. This is the vehicle's unique fingerprint. No two vehicles share the same one, so it's essential for accurate identification and record keeping. Click on Last Inspection Date to open the calendar and choose the date the vehicle was last inspected. This gives the system a starting point to calculate when the next inspection is due. From the calendar, select the day of that last inspection. In this tutorial, we're picking the 20th. Click on Inspection Reminder Days field and set how many days before the next inspection you'd like to be reminded. This way, you're never caught off guard. You'll get a heads up with enough time to prepare. Once all the necessary details are filled in, click the Create button to save the vehicle record. It's now officially added to your system and ready to be tracked. And that's it on how to create a vehicle for vehicle inspection management. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.